James Bailey from Newcastle, Pennsylvania.
My name's Justin, and I'm from outside of St. Louis, Missouri.
My name is Brett. I'm from St. Charles, Missouri.
My name is Paul Sanders. I'm from Griffith, Indiana, which is northwest Indiana.
My name is Dalton Triplet. I'm from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma.
I'm Williams from Maracaibo, Venezuela.
My name is Devin Clark. I'm from Zanesville, Ohio.
Joe Pollock from Zanesville, Ohio.
I was searching through I believe Facebook, and I'm opening up a detail shop, and I wanted to learn more. I didn't have the knowledge of nothing, so I figured you can teach me what I need to know.
It was an area that I was did not have much expertise in, and needed to gain a little bit and glean a little bit in this area.
I was put into a pretty good situation where I was being promoted as the new detail manager for a company, so I wanted to come here and get the best training or the required training that I would need.
Well, I was in the small limousine business. I have a small limousine business, and just want to grow and expand on other avenues in car service business.
Looking to get into the business, and Detail King seemed like the perfect place.
Well, I just got into that. I'm in the car scene for like 10 years, and I always loved washing my car and detailing it, so I guess why not attend it and have a better knowledge. So far, I'm definitely knowledgeable. I'm looking forward to the rest of the class, but so far, I'm definitely satisfied with what I paid for.
It's been extremely educational. I've learned quite a bit in certain areas that I would have overlooked or not even thought about.
Awesome. Definitely, I'm learning a lot. I have my own business as well, which I'm going to use a lot from this, aside from detailing, and put it towards.
So far, so great. I mean, I just learning a whole lot. It's very informative, and I look forward to the rest of the weekend of class.
Very informative on the business side. Both Paul and Nick, they have a lot of experience with the business, and that helps a lot.
So far, so good. Impressive. I definitely got a lot of knowledge that I didn't have. It's definitely going to be useful going forward in my business.
Sure, it was invaluable. I mean, I've considered that I don't know much about that stuff. I would definitely consider myself inexperienced. I took away all the knowledge that I need for what I feel that I need to move forward and jump right in on my own.
It was more than I would bargain for, I would say. Like he was saying, I kind of came into it, took everything that I already knew and just applied it as if I didn't know anything, and I learned a lot.
I enjoyed it. From start to the finish, from day one, I've learned so much through the course of this weekend.
Great, they covered everything from head to toe. Very informative.
Demasiado bueno. So much great, man. Yeah, it was cool, man. I didn't think I can handle so much, like all these tools, and giving this shine into the paint and restoration. It was cool.
It was very helpful.
I definitely picked up a lot of information I'm going to be able to put to use.
No question.
Absolutely.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yes, I will. I think that you guys did an excellent job. I will highly recommend it to anyone that's interested in coming to learning how to detail cars.
Yes, absolutely. Anybody who's serious about detailing and you become a Detail King.
I'm definitely going to, yeah, to everybody.
Yes, I would.
I sure would recommend it to anybody.